Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ordinex token. Ticker symbol is ORD. This token is being listed April 20th on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Ordinex token is being listed on Mexc Global April 20th, 10 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ORD, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, ORD is the ticker symbol. There is a Kickstarter event going on Mexc Global's Twitter that you can find at Mexc_Global. So it says vote with MX tokens to support the ORD listing and share up to 15 billion ORD airdrops. And that is going on April 19th. So check out the details on that on Mexc Global's Twitter. So what is Ordinex? Ordinex aims to be a platform for trading Bitcoin NFTs, also known as Ordinals. So Ordinals are pretty popular lately. Also, there's a new thing called Bitcoin stamps. I did a short video about Bitcoin stamps recently, kind of similar to Ordinals. But there's been a lot of Ordinal tokens come out. There's Ordinal Doge. There was something about, I forget the Ordinal blockchain. There's a token coming out trying to be an Ordinal blockchain in the future. I forget the name of that. But anyways, Ordinals are very popular right now. So Ordinex will be built to provide a secure, trustless, and transparent environment for the trading of Bitcoin Ordinals with an easy-to-use interface. So why would you get Ordinex? Well, currently anyone willing to interact with Bitcoin NFTs has to deal with a steep learning curve along with risks such as trusting OTC trades or escrows. We plan to streamline the Bitcoin NFT experience by providing a safe and easy way to own, trade, and even mint NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. So how will Ordinex work? It says, using a secure and automated escrow system powered by smart contracts, Ordinex allows anyone to take part in the Bitcoin NFT mania without the risks involved with OTC trades and human-managed escrows. So when will Ordinex be ready? Our team already started developing the proof of concept on Bitcoin testnet. We have experience building automated escrow systems on the Bitcoin network, which can be showcased soon after launch. So it says their white paper, full roadmap, and implementation details will be presented in the V2 version of our webpage. So they don't have a white paper yet, and they don't have a full roadmap yet, but that will be coming soon. And like I said, this token is still in, doing their Kickstarter. It's not even at their Kickstarter event. So this is a very brand new project. You can find their full webpage at ordinex.io. So who is the team behind Ordinex? Our team is made up of developers with years of experience building on the Bitcoin blockchain, as well as advisors from the decentralized finance space. Their Twitter you can find at Ordinexio, and their Telegram is at Ordinex. Pretty straightforward there. Now, their Etherscan says right now they have 1,207 holders, 18 decimal places on this token. And a max total supply here of that is, well, it's 1 trillion tokens, so according to their Etherscan. Now, on their webpage, they have lots of, news articles and Twitter stuff here that you can see recent tweets about this. So secure and trustless Bitcoin NFT trading. Secure, trustless, and transparent environment for the trading of Bitcoin ordinals with an easy-to-use interface. And they're partnered with CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX Tools, Uniswap. So it says it's easy to use. Currently, anyone willing to interact with Bitcoin NFTs has to deal with a learning curve. So it's highly secure. It's got an experienced team and empowering artists. So how it works, all you have to do is sign in with your wallet, authenticate securely into our system with your wallet of choice, create or import ordinals, import existing ordinals, or create new ones using Ordinex. Trade your NFTs, explore marketplace and purchase NFTs or list your own. Secure transactions, our trustless escrow mechanism will take care of your transaction. So it says stay in touch with our progress. We're rolling out new features and updates almost daily. So if you could check out their DEX Tools chart on here. You can check out their GitHub. They have a GitHub listed on here. They have Medium articles. I think they had about 4 Medium articles or so. Their Discord's on here. All sorts of stuff. So it says their Twitter, only 17 tweets so far. A very brand new project. Just joined in February 2023. So they're not super active on Twitter because 17 tweets in a couple months isn't a lot. And it says, yeah, they're new. They did post recently about their new Mexc Global Kickstarter event and listing coming soon. So it says our Explorer Alpha was deployed to our dev testnet environment. You can browse through all 1 million plus inscriptions. Our goal with the Explorer is to sort through all inscriptions by rarity, age, and listed status, favorite, bid, or get notified on listings, and suggest other features below. So you can check that out. So their public testnet is live. And there's a whole Medium article it says about that. It says we had our first round of public testers play around with the platform in the last couple days, and they gave valuable feedback. And yes, you can check out all these. So they do have a roadmap update actually on their Twitter. It says private alpha testing has begun. So that's what I just talked about. Security audit has been booked. So they're going to have an audit pretty soon. And they're going to have private testing as well. So check all this out. This token, like I said, is being listed on Mexc Global April 20th, 10 o'clock UTC time. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.